Planet Earth is filled with too much negative energy. The violence of war, drive-by shootings, mass killings, displacement of millions and millions of people, starvation, hunger. The list goes on and on and on. We, as peaceful advocates, must find a way to harness the positive energies of peace, love, and harmony throughout planet Earth, from sunrise to sunset and everything in between.
Evilness that's inside a man, it doesn't make much sense. I simply cannot understand why ugly's so intense. To take a trigger, to squeeze it tight, release a violent rage. It's happening both day and night, no matter what the age. Each drive-by shooting symphony sings out an anguished cry. They're lacking moral empathy and never asking why. With hate a fading masquerade and love found everywhere, we've stopped a need to be afraid, eliminating fear. As ugliness of uglies fade and light and love beams glow, no longer quenched in a dismal shade, rekindled peace blaze slow. All the countries banned each gun, it wouldn't matter, mate. They'd find a way to harm and stun, personified in hate. The universe looks down so sad, quite awed in disbelief. How can such humans be so bad, not showing any grief? Perhaps love angels should appear and spread energies of peace. Embrace the calm, release the fear, hope negatives will cease. With hate a fading masquerade, love found everywhere, we stopped a need to be afraid, eliminating fear. As ugliness of uglies fade and light and love beams glow, no longer quenched in a dismal shade, rekindled peace blaze slow. Darkened grays now turn to light with love vibes all around. Would be a noble, righteous sight, evil somewhere to be found. To share this message of pure love is not an easy go. Let's listen to a source above and let soft love flames flow. Mankind is ripe to heal within, might take some time. Okay. We're ready for a new beginning each and every way. With hate a fading masquerade and love found everywhere, we've stopped a need to be afraid, eliminating fear. As ugliness of uglies fade and light and love beams glow, no longer quenched in a dismal shade, rekindled peace flames flow. Is smiling down, see mankind's will to change. Inhale the good, release each frown, watch hate streams rearrange. Now drive-by shootings just a dream, these nightmares fading fast. The universal love quest dream